In his remarks at the memorial service for the shooting victims in Tucson last night, the president said in an ad lib that political rhetoric played no role in the tragedy. That was an act of leadership for which I thank you, Mr. President. It was also a note of caution to our current cadre of legacy media journalists. In journalism class, they teach you the 5 W's: who, what, where, when, and why. In the real world of journalism, you learn that the first 4 of the W's come into focus pretty quickly, as they did in Tucson. It's the 5th W, the why, that is slow to become clear, if it ever becomes clear at all. The fact that so-called mainstream journalists thought they had figured out the why ahead of the who, what, where, and when helps explain why newspaper circulation is collapsing alongside the ratings of the big 3 network newscasts. It's basic business. If people don't trust you, they won't buy your product. Legend has it that in the newsroom at one of the Chicago daily papers in the heyday was a sign that read, "If your mother tells you she loves you, check it out." Good advice then, particularly good advice now. That's my word. What's yours? Go to youtellmetexas.com and you tell me.